When is the right time to buy property? It's probably the most common question we get asked at Lodge. And here to help me answer it is Jordan Cameron from Total Mortgages. Welcome, Jordan.
Hi, Nick.
Jordan, if you're a property investor, how do you assess purchase timing?
Well, there's no time like the present. The bulk of the damage seems to have been done to interest rates, and we're starting to believe that they may be at the peak now or not far off it. There seems to be a few good buys at the moment, possibly with tax deductibility being reinstated. If there's a change of government at the end of the year, could be another factor. So I think we may be pretty close to being at the bottom of the market now, and I think it is a good time to buy.
Jordan, as you read the current market, is there a clear profile of the type of person who should be investing right now?
Well, banks are certainly easing their criteria and making money more available for people purchasing new builds.
What kind of easing are you referring to?
The servicing criteria when purchasing a new build is not quite as harsh as if you're buying an existing property, so there tends to be a bit more leeway there. Also, in certain instances, you can buy up to 90% if you're purchasing a new build, whereas if it's a standard existing property, you're capped at 60% for an investment property.
That fits perfectly with what we're seeing. New builds in suburbs like Flagstaff, Rototuna, Huntington and Chartwell are getting snapped up really quickly by really good quality tenants.
Yeah, exactly. They're low maintenance, and not to mention most of them come with a 10-year building warranty.
How are investors freeing up money?
So generally by splitting lenders, borrowing the deposit against their main lender, and then going and borrowing the balance from a second lender. That way you can utilise your equity and make it go a lot further.
Absolutely, and our stats show a really strong rental market is waiting for them. Our Lodge portfolio, we have 3,800 properties, and at the end of March we only had 19 awaiting tenants.
Well, that's great, the demand's still there.
It is. Currently Hamilton is really short on rental stock and the rents are tracking up, which is a great sign for property investors to be able to get in right now. Thanks for coming along today, Jordan. It's been really informative.
Thanks for having me, Nick.
If you need expert advice on buying a rental property in Hamilton, come and talk to Lodge. We're local and we'd love to help.